Okay then, so today we're going to make Tarte de Natas. Actually in Portuguese it's pronounced Tarte de Natas, which is almost Scouse, tart. What we'll need to make this is some tea time biscuits, some condensed milk, some fresh cream, 600 milliliters, some gelatine, a mixing bowl, a mixer, and whatever that is over there. So first of all, we have to prepare the gelatine. So we can cut this up into here. So we add a little bit of water to this. And then I like to put it in a bain-marie to melt over the heat. So I'll go and put that on now. We open the cream. Oops. Yeah, I'm a bit messy, not the best. Right, so there we go. Cream in there. So then we have to as best we can. Okay, so the biscuits, break up maybe half the pack. And you have to blend them. Yeah, it's a blender, this. That should do it. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, so the biscuits, you place, well I do. I place them in the bottom of the tin we're going to use. And you spread them around a bit. Spread them around a bit. Just take out any big clumps that are there, you know. Right, that's a nice biscuit base. That you just leave the base quite loose. Now here's the tricky part. This is where it all comes together very quickly. You open your condensed milk. Cream is quite well whisked, yeah? So we've just got to get that a little bit stiffer. But we don't want to make butter, you know? Right, that's great. Now we put this slow and we add the condensed milk. Add the condensed milk. So we just want to make sure that's quite well mixed, you know. So we mix that around a bit more. And we can feel it thickening up, you know. And then here's the tricky part. Then we add the gelatine. Now you've got to do this quickly or it'll go lumpy. Right, turn that off. Make sure we're still lined up, yeah. And then we tip this ingredient into here. And you can see how fluffy that is, yeah. Tip that into there. Go. And then we put that in the fridge until it sets. And there you have Tarte de Natas.